Hi friends, this is my Ford Explorer. I have a problem with my reverse camera. I am putting on the reverse gear. See, the camera does not turn on. It does not engage. This problem happens very randomly. It works one day and it does not work the other day. It comes back with this error: camera is unavailable, please contact your dealership. Here is a very quick fix. Just turn off the engine, just like that. Open the door, that way the vehicle is completely shut off, the battery is shut off. That, and then turn the engine back on. Okay, it's back on. Now you try the reverse gear again and see what happens. Yep, there it is working. When your reverse gear is suddenly not working, this is a very quick fix that you can try and get moving again. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please post a comment and I'll respond as soon as possible.